Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Khanam and this is Psychology Basics Intermediate Lectures of Psychology. Today we will study briefly about the branches of psychology. In the introductory video, I mentioned that psychology is present since the beginning of life on earth. It deals with humans as well as animals. In all aspects of society, it has much more room to play its role. With the advancement of mankind, their problems are also advanced. Psychology is gaining more and more importance in dealing with these problems. Some of these problems are general in nature, whereas some problems demand specialized expertise. Psychologists are being trained in different specializations to deal with such specific type of problems. These are called branches of psychology. I will mention briefly some branches included in the syllabus. In detail, we shall discuss them one by one in the next video. The first branch that is included in our syllabus is clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is the branch of psychology that deals with mental and behavioral disorders, identification of their causes, and classification and treatment of those disorders. Some examples of some such disorders are anxiety, depression, etc. Number two is educational psychology. As the name indicates, it is concerned with education. When psychological principles are applied to uh, bring the disciplined change in behavior of students, it is called educational psychology, so that individual can behave according to educational standards. So disciplined change in behavior is brought about by applying the psychological principle of to the education. Third one is industrial psychology. Industrial psychology deals with the human aspect of industry. In this branch, psychological principles are applied to industry to gain more production with minimum labor. Fourth branch is experimental psychology. This branch studies the cause and effect relationships of different variables. Experiments are conducted. It has very broad scope because these experiments are performed in all fields and all branches of psychology. Number five is environmental psychology. This branch of psychology deals with the mutual relationship of individuals with their environment. uh, which means how the individual is being influenced by the environment and how he is affecting the environment. This mutual relationship and this mutual effects are studied in this branch. Number 6, criminal and correctional psychology. Criminal psychology studies the personality and behavior of lawbreakers and antisocial elements. Elements present in the society. Correctional psychology, on the other hand, deals with the correction and rehabilitation of those antisocial elements. Number 7 is guidance and counseling psychology. As we studied that clinical psychology deals with the problems of mentally disabled or mentally problematic behaviors, guidance and counseling psychology deals with the normal individual. It enables the normal individuals to deal with their everyday life problem and make decisions in important matters of life. Number 8 is developmental psychology. This branch of psychology deals with all the changes that occur in an individual during all phases and stages of life. And the last branch included in your syllabus is child psychology. It studies all the developmental phases from birth to adolescence. So this was an overview of some branches of psychology. We will discuss them in detail in the next videos. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.